catch, bills to pay. Learned to walk while I was away. Started talking before I knew it, and as he grew, he said, I'm gonna be like you. Yeah, I know I'm gonna be like you. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you coming home, Dad, I don't know when. We'll get together then. We'll have a good time then. My son turned 10 just the other day. He said, thanks for the ball, back come on, let's play. Can you teach me to throw? I said, not today. Got a lot to do, he said, that's okay. And he walked away, but his smile never did. He said, I'm gonna be like him, yeah, you know I'm gonna be like him. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon. The boy blue and the man in the moon. When you coming home, son, I don't know when. We'll get together then. We'll have a good time then. Now I've retired, my son's moved away. We called him up just the other day. I said, I'd like to see you if you don't mind. Love to, Dad, if I can find the time. My new job's a hassle and the kids got the food, but it's nice talking to you. Sure nice talking to you. And the cat's in the cradle and the silver spoon. Little boy blue and the man in the moon. When you coming home, son, I don't know when. We'll get together then. We'll have a good time then. We came from college just the other day. So much like a man, I just had to say, son, I'm proud of you. Can you sit for a while? I looked you down and he shook his head and he said with a smile, what I really like, Dad, is tomorrow the car keys. See you later, can I have